Hi friends, this video shows how to change lock screen wallpaper. Let me try to lock this phone, then unlock. See, lock screen wallpaper is not changing. I will show you how we can fix this issue. Let me unlock. Then tap and hold on this home screen, tap and hold. Tap on wallpaper and style, tap here. Tap on change wallpapers. Go down. Tap on wallpaper services, tap here. Here you can see two wallpaper services, dynamic lock screen and glance on Samsung. Let me select dynamic lock screen, tap here. Then tap on the settings icon. Here you can see lock screen wallpaper categories. From this list you can select the categories that you need. So let me select this category and download. So now it's downloading this landscapes category. So please wait. So we can select up to 5 categories. Done. So now I have enabled dynamic lock screen wallpaper and selected one category. Let me test. Let me lock this phone. Press this power button. Then unlock. See. Now lock screen wallpaper is changing. So this way we can fix that issue. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.